Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is nitrogen fixation. Okay, previous class we discussed about some preservations by common salts and sugar and vinegar oils, and today our topic is nitrogen fixation. So what is nitrogen fixation? The process in which nitrogen converts into nitrates is known as nitrogen fixation. Okay, let's start the topic. Have you learnt about the bacterium rhizobium in class 6th and 7th? Already we know some rhizobium bacteria live in the soil. It involves in the fixation of nitrogen leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means beans, peas, soybean, peanuts, etc. These are called the leguminous plants. Recall the rhizobium lives in the root of nodules of leguminous plants. Already we know some rhizobium bacteria live in the root of leguminous plants, and these are release the nitrogen gas into the soil, and leguminous plants absorb the nitrogen gas and supply the all parts of their body. Okay, look at this figure number 2.9. These are the roots of the leguminous plants with noodles. Okay, these are the roots of the leguminous plants. Okay, such beans and peas with the which it has symbiotic relationship. Okay, symbiotic relationship means some organism live together and share both shelter and nutrients. This process or relationship is called the symbiotic relationship. Okay, symbiotic relationship means some organisms live together and share both shelters and nutrients. This process relationship are called the symbiotic relationship. Okay, so sometimes nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightings. Okay, how? Sometimes nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightings. Some amount of nitrogen convert into oxide during lightings and thundering into the sky, and with rain water this oxide reach in the soil. Okay, some amount of nitrogen convert into oxide during lightnings and thundering into the sky, and with rainwater this oxide reach in the soil. Okay children, are understand? But how know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant? This is the very important question. Okay, how the atmosphere nitrogen is constantly fixed by creatine microbes or by lightings, which can then be used by plants and other living organisms. This maintains the level of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. How? The atmospheric nitrogen is constantly fixed by creatine microbes or by lightings, okay, which can then be used by plants and other living organisms. This maintains the level of nitrogen in atmosphere. Okay children, I understand. Next we discuss nitrogen cycle. Okay, our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Already we know that our atmosphere made by different types of gas: oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, argon, helium and etc etc, different types of gases. Okay, so our atmosphere has 78% contain the nitrogen gas. Okay, nitrogen is one of the initial constituent of all living organisms as part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. Nitrogen is the one of the initial constituent of all living organisms. We breathe oxygen, okay, we release carbon dioxide. At the same, nitrogen also need all living organisms, but we cannot take directly. Okay, this atmospheric nitrogen we cannot taken by directly by plants and animals. Nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Creation bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into the components of nitrogens. Okay, some bacteria mean blue-green algae presented in the soil. Some rhizobium bacteria and blue-green algae, these are presented in the soil. These are fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere, and they are release the nitrogen gas into the soil, and plants absorb, leguminous plants absorb the nitrogen, okay, and supply the all parts of their body. So some animals eat their plants, okay, and some animals consume plants, okay. And once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, it cannot be utilized by plants for the soil through the root system. But how the nitrogen absorb the plants? They use the roots and absorb the nitrogen gas. Okay, and nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plants, protein, and other components. Animals feeding on plants get their protein and other nitrogen compounds, and these types of plant, leguminous plants, we eat, and we eat the beans and peas and soybeans and peanuts and etc etc, and these are all contain the some amount of nitrogen, and some animals consume the these types of food, and we are also our body contain the some amount of nitrogen. Okay, look at this figure number 2.10. This is the nitrogen cycle. Okay, and when plants and animals die, bacteria and fungus present in the soil convert the nitrogen wastage into the nitrogen compound to be used by plants again. Okay, some plants and animals die. Okay, bacteria and fungi present in the soil, and the waste things, the bacteria convert the nitrogen gases. Again, they release the nitrogen gas into the soil. Okay, creatine other bacteria convert some parts of them to nitrogen gas, which goes back into the atmosphere. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remain more or less of constants. Okay, some bacteria also release the nitrogen gas into the atmosphere, so nitrogen in the atmosphere remain constant, okay, percentage constantly. Okay, so some plants and dead animals, bacteria and fungus present in the soil, they will convert the nitrogen gas and release the soils, and again plants use the nitrogen gas and they are supply the all parts of their body, and that type of plants and some animals consume. Okay, this is the nitrogen cycle. Okay, look at this picture. This is the nitrogen cycle. Atmospheric nitrogen and lightings. Okay, lightings compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Lightings compounds nitrogen in the soil. Already we discussed some amount of nitrogen convert into oxide during lightings and thundering in to the sky, and with rainwater this oxide reaches in the soil. Okay, lighting compound of the nitrogen in the soil, and nitrogen fixing bacteria means ribosome and some blue green algae bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen. Bacteria in turn fix nitrogen into the nitrogen compounds. That type of bacteria release the nitrogen gas into the soils and compound of the nitrogen in the soil, and again compound of nitrogen in the soil uptake by plants, and this nitrogen gas absorb the plants, and the plants parts some animals consume, and the animals release the some waste from excretion of dead nitrogen waste from excretion, and that's again compound of nitrogen into the soil. Okay, the waste things again compound of nitrogen in the soil, and bacteria turn compound of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogens. Okay, compounds of nitrogen in the soil, bacteria turn compound of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen. Again atmospheric nitrogen, again the bacteria release the some gas into the atmosphere. Okay, this is the cycle of nitrogen. Okay, thank you all of you.